You finish a great meal: pasta, a zesty salad, maybe an orange. First thought? Brush your teeth, right? Get rid of the food, fight off those sugar bugs. But what if that a smart habit is actually a dental disaster? What if brushing right after eating is like taking a tiny little wrecking ball to your tooth's armor, your enamel? It sounds crazy, but science shows that brushing at the wrong time can seriously harm your teeth. Stay tuned, because I'm revealing why, and how to really protect your smile. Welcome to Lavanya FitFlow, a channel where we share practical, science-based health tips to help you feel your best every day. I used to think brushing right after a meal, especially something acidic like orange juice or a tangy salad, was the smart move. Clean it all up, protect the teeth, right? Turns out, that habit could be doing more harm than good. Let me show you why. Number 1. The common misconception: the good habit, that isn't always good. We've all heard it: brush after every meal. Parents, teachers, even some dentists said it. The idea makes sense: food bits, especially sugary ones, are a party for bacteria. These bacteria make acid, and acid means cavities. So, brush fast, right? You have your OJ and toast, then brush. Grab a soda at lunch, then brush. It feels like peak dental hygiene. But what if this golden rule is actually setting your teeth up for damage? Number 2. The turn reveal: the shocking truth about post-meal brushing. Here's the shocker: brushing right after acidic foods or drinks is like trying to clean a delicate glass sculpture with sandpaper. You're not helping, you're actively damaging your enamel. Your enamel is the super hard shield protecting your teeth, tougher than bone. But acid is its kryptonite. Things like citrus fruits, sodas, wine, even coffee make your mouth acidic. This acid temporarily softens your enamel, like how water softens cardboard. If you brush then, when it's soft, you're literally scrubbing away bits of that precious protection. Over time, this means sensitive teeth, a yellowish look, and more cavities. And the scary part? Once enamel is gone, it doesn't grow back. The scientific explanation, the why behind the danger. So, what's the science? When you eat acidic foods, think lemons or soda, your mouth's pH drops, becoming an acid bath for your teeth. This acid attack softens your enamel, kind of like how soaking a biscuit in tea makes it crumble. Your enamel temporarily loses some of its minerals. But thankfully, your body has a superhero: saliva. Saliva is like a cleanup crew and a repair team rolled into one. It washes away acids and, crucially, it's packed with minerals that help rebuild and reharden your enamel. This is called remineralization. It's a natural repair process. But this healing takes time. If you brush while your enamel is still soft and vulnerable, before your saliva has finished its job, you're scrubbing away that weakened surface. It's like trying to polish wet cement: you'll just make a mess and remove material. Waiting 30 to 60 minutes lets saliva work its magic, making enamel strong enough for brushing. The ADA even suggests waiting a full hour. For sugary, non-acidic stuff, the acid attack comes from bacteria later, but anything directly acidic is the immediate danger zone for brushing. The solution, or correct approach: protecting your enamel effectively. So, how do you protect your enamel? The number 1 rule: wait after acidic foods or drinks, at least 30 minutes, ideally 60. Give your saliva time to be the hero. What if your mouth feels gross right after eating? Number 1. Rinse with plain water. This helps neutralize acids fast. Number 2. Chew sugar-free gum, especially with xylitol. This boosts saliva production. Number 3. Finish with neutralizing foods like cheese or milk. When it is time to brush. Number 1. Consider brushing before breakfast, especially if you have acidic foods like OJ. This cleans away overnight plaque and preps teeth with fluoride. Number 2. Always brush before bed. This is non-negotiable. Number 3. Use a soft brush and gentle pressure. Think massage, not scrubbing a dirty pot. Fluoride toothpaste is your friend here, helping to strengthen enamel. And a few more tips: limit acidic foods, use a straw for acidic drinks, stay hydrated to keep saliva flowing, and see your dentist regularly. It's about brushing smarter, not harder or more often. If you're serious about oral health, there's a natural mineral supporting formula I've found incredibly helpful. It helps balance oral bacteria and supports fresher breath and enamel strength, perfect for anyone trying to level up their dental routine. Check the link in the description for more details. Let's recap. Brushing immediately after acidic meals or drinks is like scrubbing wet paint, you damage the surface. Acid softens your enamel, and brushing too soon wears it away. Your amazing saliva will reharden it, but it needs 30 to 60 minutes. Surprised by this info? Will this change when you brush your teeth? Comment below, let me know your thoughts. Like this video if you learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to Lavanya FitFlow and tap the bell for more clear, practical health insights. And if you're interested in a natural way to support tooth strength and overall mouth health, I've included a link in the description. It's a simple addition to your routine that can make a real difference. Thanks for watching. Here on Lavanya FitFlow, we're all about smart, science-backed habits to help you thrive. Take care of your smile, and I'll see you in the next one.